need to figure out how I'm going to show you guys my shoes, but here we go. So I'm putting concealer on my face and just rubbing that in with my fingers. I like to use my hands and not a beauty blender. Mostly because I just find that it melts into my skin a lot easier. And there I go, doing my foundation now with my fingers, and it's actually not that weird of a thing. I have noticed that a lot of models do that. It's actually where I picked it up from on YouTube, not that I know any personally. And then I'm just putting a little bit of translucent powder and then filling in my brows. And Lana Del Rey has sort of more boxier drawn on brows than I normally do, so I didn't go too crazy, but I did try to make the head of my eyebrow a little bit more square than I normally do. And then she also has really pretty features, so I kind of had to sculpt as best as I could with a cream bronzer, and then I went in with a powder bronzer to kind of really get those shadows in. And now I have my Urban Decay palette that I got for my birthday recently, so I was excited to use this. And I'm just using some natural colors to kind of give me just a simple natural look. The music video Love, she doesn't really have crazy makeup like classic Lana Del Rey typically has, so I stuck to just browns and taupes and things like that. And then the dreaded eyeliner, I had to take a little deep breath before I could do it, but I kind of just went in and, I just figured it was going to come out however it was going to come out. Also, I was filming this super late at night, so that's why the lighting is not so good. So I do apologize for that. I will get better. I was just so excited to test out my Halloween makeup, so I did this super late at night. And so I've added highlighter and my big lashes. And then I thought I'd slow down the video here just so you guys can really see how I gathered my hair. So I had a picture of Lana from her Love music video, and I pretty much just replicated it. So she has long hair, she parts it down the middle, and then it seems like they just kind of grabbed two large sections and pulled them back. I just secured that with bobby pins and then placed some daisies in my hair that I actually just made myself. I just hot glued some daisies to bobby pins and just adorn them in my hair. Is that a word? I don't know. But I just used it. That's pretty much the complete look. I got this white dress online. I already had some suede shoes from Steve Madden. And yeah, it's pretty much the look. It's pretty simple, very boho chic. You don't even necessarily have to say that it's Lana Del Rey. It could just be a flower girl. A lot of people just thought I was a 60s flower girl for Halloween. But yeah, that's the look, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Cool. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you keep coming back, and hopefully I keep posting videos.